Thank you for watching. Please take a few seconds to like the video and subscribe to our channel to learn more about various finance-related topics including cryptocurrency, international tax and...
Hi, my name is Chandri from TaxPartners, and today we will discuss everything you need to know about bookkeeping for businesses in Canada. Bookkeeping is the process of recording, categorizing, and organizing financial transactions. Good bookkeeping can help a small business stay afloat by keeping track of the money and making sure that the bills are being paid on time. It can assist with saving money by identifying areas where there are overspending. What should the business owner consider before doing bookkeeping? Number 1, how often do you record transactions? Number 2, what accounting method you will use, cash-basis or accrual? Number 3, what softwares or app you will use to keep track of your finances? These are a few other questions to consider before making sure you're getting into a right bookkeeping business. Thank you for watching, and this was all for the video. Contact us on TaxPartners New Market.
TaxPartners is the leading crypto accounting and tax firm in Canada. Contact a member of our accounting firm. If you have any inquiries about the taxation of NFTs or cryptocurrencies, we will be happy to help. If you have any questions or you want to work with us, please email us at info@taxpartners.ca. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.